Stop number 8 on our tour is another reading area. Wow, that's a lot of reading areas. This reading area is defined by a bookshelf in the front. Now that bookshelf will have different displays. Right now it's back to school books. And on the other side it has our rookie readers. Remember, they used to be back by our story corner. I moved them up here, but they are our nonfiction information books on a little easier reading level. So if you're looking for information books about a topic and you want one that's you can read easily, this is a great place to look. We also have our small I Spy books in the bin on top of that shelf. And then if you go over here and look behind those shelves, we have a fun reading area. So we've got a couple more of our dog friends from Dog Pile. We have a beanbag chair, some other chairs. Lots of people can fit back here to read. We also, now what used to be here was our I Spy books. So where did they go? I Spy books now moved over to here. So if you're looking for an I Spy or a Where's Waldo or a Seek and Find, this is where you would look on either side of that. There's a couple chairs underneath there that you're welcome to pull out if you want to sit down and look at them. And our last seating area that I'll show you is this one right here. It's our old hut that used to be back in Reading Corner. It's now moved up front, and it's our tiki hut. Again, 2 to 3 people can fit in here to read.